Hey guys, welcome you all. And good morning to all. Right. So today we are going to discuss about the very important thing because if you're having a dream to learn about the Palo Alto Firewalls, so this session is for you. This is going to be very short and the brief session because we have a lot of queries and people are reaching out to us in different platforms. They are asking a lot of things. What is going to be happen in this Palo Alto session? And what kind of benefits they are going to get and how the career progression is going to be happen. So by considering those aspects, we are just going to give the brief introduction about this course content, because we are discussing about the network engineer program, that is basically network and security engineer program. And in this network and security engineer program, one of the key component in this module, if you go in the let me show you the network engineer program curriculum. So if you go in this curriculum, you will find that a lot of things we have to let me open I opened the wrong one. So let me open just where is the this one. So in this curriculum, right, we are covering 5 courses. Okay, so out of 5 courses, probably you can see from here, in this total 5 courses, we have the CCNA, that is a very basics and beginning of the networking. Then after we have the CCNP Encore, that is a very detailed. You are going to get the inside of the automations, you are going to get inside of the architecture, wireless. We have to go get the understanding of the LIPS, VPNs technologies. You are going to get the understanding about the virtualization. So this is the like the Bible of the networking. So if you have done the CCNA and you want to go for the CCIE and the higher level certification, I must say you must have to do this CCNP ENCOR exam or certification. And one more thing, it's a very mandatory thing. If you have the career dream to become a CCIE, you have to must crack and pass this exam. If you're not going to clear this exam, you're not eligible to become the CCIE engineer. Even you're not eligible to go and appear the CCIE exam as well. So this is the mandatory stuff. And then after, if you have the very good understanding of the CCNA and CCNP Enco, and then you just want to become the expert in the routings, like how the BGP is going to be configured, OSPF is going to be configured, EIGRP is going to be configured, and how the MPLS is going to work, how the DMVPN is going to be done, how the troubleshooting part is going to be happen. Detailed course curriculum is like available in this particular program. You guys can visit website, you can download the curriculum, you are going to get the same PDF, and you are going to get even the what inside available in the ENCORE exam, what inside available in the ENARSI exam. So you can see everything in the very detail. Even IPv6 is going to be covered, and detailed routings, path manipulation, OSPF filtering, everything, VPN technology, infrastructure security, infrastructure services. So once you have the very good understanding about this NRC exam, then what I do after that, I done my CCNA and CCNP. I have done very good expertise on it. I have the basic knowledge of some wireless as well. But I want to grow in my career. I want to just multiply my package. I was stuck in around 10 lakh of package, 12 lakh of package, 15 lakh of package. So how I can get more and more packages, right? So for that, I believe you, or I would recommend you should start your career in the security domain as well. And this is the first step. If you start learning the security, trust me, your like the CV is going to be get more weightage in the market. Why it is going to get more weightage in the market? Because many people are available in the market who just have the networking knowledge. But once you done the CCNP, CCNA, and you going to complete the security part as well in any firewall, like the ASA firewall, checkpoint firewall, FortiGate firewall, Shopos firewall, other firewalls, means you have the very good understanding about the security, then you are going to get more advantage while like getting the new jobs or getting the promotion inside of your current organization as well. So that's why this Palo Alto program, which is going to cover 2 modules, right? This is the PCNSA and PCNSA. So from the GuiNet, we are offering the complete these 2 modules together, where you are going to get the complete detailed understanding about the Palo Alto firewall from the very basics to scratch. Even you go for the website, if you just go on the Palo Alto education, right? So you will find that these two are different modules, and you can just find the curriculum as well, what you are going to understand in the this PCNSA and PCNSE as well. So you can see here, let me show you certification Palo Alto. So we have this network security. Just filter the network security, and in this network security, see, this is the first exam, Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Administrator. So in this network administrator, if you go and learn about the more what are the course content, so you are going to find that all the course content and everything which is going to cover. See, in this course content, you are going to understand about what is the next generation firewall, setup and management of the connection, zone and security, what we are going to get, zone protection you are going to get, application ID block threats, what is the concept and how it is going to happen, security policies and the like the security profiles and policies, service ID block threats, security policy and user ID, increase security, threat and traffic information. So very less topics are available, and these are the fundamentals of the security. So PCNA is a good start for any security engineer, but I would suggest, if you want to understand entire picture of the CC, like the PCNSA or PCNSE, like the complete security fundamental, then you just have to complete both of the courses. So they are just a beginner, right? So even you can read out the objective as well, certification objective, what you're going to get from there. So in this certification objective, they are talking about Palo Alto Networks technology is the highly integrated and automated, right? The Palo Alto Networks products portfolio technology working in the unison and the prevent the successful cyber attack. Those who earn the Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Administrator (PCNA) certification demonstrate their ability to operate the Palo Alto Network Firewall and protect network using the cutting-edge cyber threats. So these are just the beginning, but still you can think you are eligible to start protecting your network. You start contributing to the company for the network. But the moment you done the PCNSE, see, this is the, you can see the PCNSE, the Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Engineer. Then you have the more weightage, because you are going to get more knowledge. If you go and click on here, so even you are going to find more new topic is going to be added. See, next generation firewall setup and management, connection, zone security policy, NAT policy, DOS attack, zone protection, app ID, block threat, wildfire you are going to get, and advanced with the security profile and security policies. In previous PCNSE, you are going to get the basic device ID, advanced level you are going to get threat and traffic information, introduction management through the panorama. You are going to, what is the panorama, and template device group, what is going to be happen. So in this particular, you are going to get more information and detailed information. That's why by not bifurcating to these two courses in the two different session in the GuiNet, we are launching, or we have this plan for the Palo Alto training program. If you are just start your career, we'll start from the very scratch, and we'll cover this PCNSA and PCNSE both, where you are going to get the platform and architecture, initial configuration, interface configuration, firewall NAT policies and content ID, app ID, file blocking, the same thing, application management, reporting, and definitely you're going to get the insight of the panorama as well. So let me show you this here. So you are going to get a little bit understanding about how the panorama, device template, device management, all is going to be happen, management, high availability, that active, passive, active, both you are going to get. So these are the detailed topics. NAT policy, you are going to get the 4 type of NAT: source NAT, destination NAT, util NAT, dual NAT, and you can see DSCP configuration, routing configuration, BGP, OSPF you are going to get here. So once you've done this particular program, or especially if you have just you already done the CCNA and CCNP, and you want to upgrade this Palo Alto, so in this Palo Alto module, you are going to get a lot of informations, you are going to get a lot of insights, and by getting those insights and getting those information, you are going to upgrade yourself, right? And after completing, right, you are going to get all the documentation, all detailed information, and also at the same time you are going to get the labs. Why it's labs is very important, because once you've done this program, and while doing this program, lab is one of the most important part. By using those labs information, you can just do your practice, how my firewall is going to be configured, how the policy is going to be created. So everything you are going to get. So lab is going to be accessible from the anywhere. You can see this is the lab dashboard. So a little bit, I believe there is issue in the internet right now, so quite opening slow, but yes, this URL is going to be open. from any of the browser, any of the computers. You don't have to worry about anything, and you can access this lab from the anywhere, and you just do the practice on the Palo Alto firewalls. You can just start doing the policy creation, you start doing the interface configuration, you start doing the how the initial firewall is going to be deployed. So let me show you a little bit how the interface is going to look like. Due to the heavy rains, there is a internet disruption, so that's why it's a little bit slow. But yes, it is going to work absolutely fine, and you guys are going to get access. So I'll just show you how this firewall is going to initially look like, and the same actual interfaces which you are going to get in the organization. The same thing, it is going to be like available in the lab section. So you can just do the configuration, how the implementation is going to happen for the firewall, how the troubleshooting is going to be happen in the firewall, how step-by-step design is going to be in a firewall, because a lot of lab design we already have. If you go in the our sample websites as well, so you see there are a lot of labs. So one of the largest virtual lab we have, and if you click in the view modes, so different just we have provided the snapshots, like how the Cisco SD-WAN, one of the top-notch technology available, Versa SD-WAN. So these are labs, are handmade labs, and these labs are going to give the lot of good flavor for the understanding the design, implementation of the configuration, BGP, MPLS. This is just like the snapshot for just reference. Palo Alto, you can see these are the HA labs where routing we can deploy, VRF we can create, right? How the virtual router we can create. You can see there the Palo Alto second lab, Global Protect we have, so Load Balancer lab. So different flavors we have, and we can do exactly as per what my company is doing, and same scenario we can replicate here. So you guys are having the luxury like to actually do your hand dirty, and you can do your practice, and you can just brush up your skills, right? So this is all I wanted to convey. Some reason the lab is not connecting for time being, so leave it that part. But yes, this lab is going to be happen exactly. You are going to get the similar dashboard what we have. Let me show you. Probably you will see the so once you log in, right, we're going to get the similar dashboard for the PAN-OS 10.0. Let me PAN-OS 10.0. So you're going to get this kind of the dashboard. This is 9.0, so you're going to allow kind of the dashboard. Yeah, probably this kind of dashboard. And once you log in, you're going to start doing your practice and all. So let me see one more time. Let me try to log in. Let's see. Anyway, it's not responding. Probably we just have to restart this lab, so it is going to take a little bit more time. But yes, definitely it is going to work, and you guys are going to get inside everything about the labs, right? So if you're having any plan, so you guys go, you can just go here in the courses, and after going in the courses, you just go in the network engineer training program. And after going this network engineer training program, if you want to download this browser, you want to go yourself study, like what all available. So in module 4 you are going to get, just download it, and after downloading you are going to get that all information of the course content. You just go through that. If you're having any kind of the query, so you can just reach out to us, right? And you can just text us or call us, and somebody is going to help you in terms of the any career counseling, any kind of the insights you are looking for that. So that all are available, right? And definitely it is going to be game changer for the career. So we would suggest, if you have the plan to start for the any security, you just start with the Palo Alto or the FortiGate firewall. Similar concept, we have the FortiGate as well, but Palo Alto, why we included? Because this Palo Alto having the very high demand. Why it is having the high demand? Because the very popular firewall available in the market. So if you are doing the Palo Alto or FortiGate, both I can say you have the equally opportunity available in the market to just showcase your skill and get the high skills or high pay jobs in the market. Okay, so wish you all the best, and stay connected and reach out to us for the